Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered how to turn shaky footage into something smooth and professional? Let's see how easy it is with Edimakor AI. First, open Edimakor. Don't have it installed yet? Click the link in the description below to download it now. Click on Create a Video and import your shaky footage by dragging and dropping. Here's the original video. Second, select the video track. Head over to the right panel in View, AI Tools section. Find the stabilization option. Toggle it on and look at the difference. The footage is already much smoother. By default, it's set to 50%. You can also fine-tune the stabilization percentage to achieve the perfect result. And while you're here, explore all other editing features to make your video better. Finally, once you're happy with the stabilized video, simply click Export and save it on your computer. Done! Last but not least, here are some quick tips to avoid shaky footage in the first place. Hold your camera with both hands for better stability. Use a tripod or gimbal for steadiness. If walking while filming, take slow and steady steps. Enable in-camera stabilization if your device supports it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.